Hi everyone, today we're opening up brown paper packages. I love this subscription. It comes from Canada. It's a bi-monthly subscription. There's always a theme. It's lifestyle items. I don't really know any subscription box exactly like this one, so it's very unique and it's awesome. I will link them down below. And this is a bigger box, and you might see my tarot stuff all around it, but let's not waste any time. Let's get this open. Oh my God, they never fail to impress with the packaging. And I don't know if you can see, let me move this a little bit. These are a few of our favorite things. We hope they become some of your favorites as well. Brown paper packages. Bamboo barbecue skewers. I love bamboo products. This is so cool. A little extra thing in here. The theme, oh my God, seriously, it's so cute. They have stickers for it. Backyard barbecue. First item we see is already totally on theme. Oh my God. They seriously, do you know anyone that packages stuff as well as they do? This is the August-September box. And inside you will find a description of all the items. The prices are in Canadian dollars. If you go on their website, you can change it to US if you're shipping there, and then it'll switch the pricing around, I believe. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this right up here. What is that? Is this so cute? A hot dog. This is hot dog. Let's see what it is. There's so much stuff. Oh, I'm about to end a 20-hour fast. I'm like, okay, unbox, and then eat. I think I have like 15 minutes to go. It's actually not too hard until like the end. I keep myself busy and I get so much more done. But anyways, okay, let's see what this is. Is it gonna be barbecue sauce? Oh, it's a bath product. They wrapped that so cute. Oh my God, this smells so good. I can smell it already. Bonbon Melon Detangler Spray. Awesome. I always use detangler spray when I wash my hair. Awesome. All the items they put in this box are from Canadian distributors or companies, by the way, which I think is really cool. So since I noticed this, we have to look at this. So we always get like a drink mix. I love it. So you can make them alcoholic if you want, which is like fun, you know, but you don't have to. So watermelon frosé. Oh my God, I've never had watermelon frosé. I've had frosé. So there's 6 servings. What do you need? So you have the mix, and then you need rosé wine ice. Nice. So you can get like, oh my God, I used to love that like grape juice, or wait, sparkling grape juice when I was a kid. If you don't want to drink that, would be fine. But this is a perfect excuse. It's Friday when I'm opening this. Maybe I'll have to get some delivery. Yeah, let's move on. Oh my God, look at that cute Santa sticker. Oh, is this like a little, what does this hold? Let's see what it says. I haven't been looking at this at all. Oh, it's an ID bracelet. Oh my God, this is perfect when you go to the beach or something because you don't want to bring your whole purse, but I mean, maybe some of you guys are lucky enough to still get ID'd. Sometimes I do. I got ID'd once at the beach last week. Maybe it was 2 weekends ago. I've gone a few times, but this is perfect for that. So you don't have to worry about losing it. And you can like do this when you're boating and stuff. Oh, you could put your keys in there too. This is so smart. If you got, I'm in Florida, so like all year round, something like this is totally useful for me. So it says, when your keys, ID, and card are all you need, this fun nature print bangle is the perfect accessory. That's such a good idea. Let's see what this is. It says, backyard barbecue. Everything is wrapped so cute. I say this every time, like literally, I can't help it. Oh my God, I need new ones of these. Sweet. Is this gonna be some seasoning or something? I knew there'd be something like this. I'm like, have food in my brain right now, but ooh, Spice of Life gourmet products, Say Bone, Montreal inspired spice. I have relatives that live in Montreal. I need to visit. I've never been to Canada. Let's see what's in here. Paprika, kosher salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, coriander, red pepper flakes, dill spices, onion flakes. Oh my God, that sounds amazing. I love spices and I love sauces, which isn't the same thing, but it's on my brain too. So mine are like really gross. I don't know how. And I tried to wash my oven mitt in the washer and dryer, and it just deformed it. So I am so stoked. These are cute too, and I love that we get 2. So awesome oven mitts. So I'm not saying the prices. If you guys Kara, just ask me. And then we have a bath bomb. Oh my god, everything's so cute. This is by Luscious Berries bath bomb. And wait, Luscious Berries is the scent. Take it out. Smells good. It's by, who is it by? Bae's Succulents? Or is that what Luscious Berries is in French? I don't know. But, oh, it's by Crafty Candles. Okay, took me way too long to discover that, but awesome. It smells really good. Awesome. And isn't this so cute? These are awesome. They like are dry and small, and then you get them wet, and they work like dishcloths, or they are dishcloths. The amazing Swedish dishcloth cleans almost everything, 100% biodegradable. Amazing. There's a 2-pack. Great in the kitchen, bathroom, office, boat, and cottage. The boat. Oh, I want to go boating. My parents just got a boat. They need to come back. My dad got it the last day he was here, so I haven't been on it yet, but I saw it. It's beautiful. Can be used for 9 to 12 months, eco-friendly and compostable. Ooh, cute. Oh, I want some watermelon. I need to place a grocery order and watermelon on that list. And red wine, red rosé, or rosé. The red's not really in the title, is it? Oh, so good for this time of year. By Stray Cat Cosmetics. We always get something by them. I love it. They donate to animal charities, so all about that. Sun Soother Aloe. This is a fast-absorbing, hydrating, and soothing after-sun gel. I am so glad to get some more of this because I go outside every day now. It's like part of my new routine. I've been pretty good. I don't know if it's Virgo season or what, but walking every day, sometimes I got burned once, and I'm like, because I'm usually so safe with my skin, but it's okay. It happens. And now I'm going to be boating more with my parents. Oh, Dad, come visit. You're watching. Last thing in here, this is a burger. I don't even eat meat, and I'm like salivating at that. I love a good like Impossible Burger or something. Oh my god, are these a salt and pepper shaker? I don't have any. This is mustard. Yes. Oh my god, this is. You guys, I'm like so excitable. My cat's underneath me now, and she's like, "What's going on?" It's so cute. Tomato and mustard, salt and pepper shake. It's so cute. Everything is so well themed. Like, can you seriously? And even the packaging, like they went out and get the burger and hot dog packaging. It's so cute. So yeah, and like everything. I seriously save stuff like this and the ribbon and all this stuff for when I ship things. But okay, you guys, we got so much stuff. Oh, so the bath bomb was a little extra gift. They always throw in an extra gift, which is so sweet. And, okay, let's look at the sneak peek now. The next theme is orchids and spice and everything nice, and that starts shipping on October 1st. You guys, I love the Hutch Sisters. I love brown paper packages. It's one of my favorite subscriptions. Seriously, best lifestyle subscription. By far, right? Right? Yeah, am I right? I am. I'll link them down below. Thank you, Hutch Sisters, for sending this to me. By the way, this is set in PR for review, but not sponsored or anything. No affiliate links. It's all just their website that I'll leave down below. Check them out. I love it. I am so pumped right now. I even forgot that I'm like past my window. Oh no, I have 3 minutes. In 3 minutes I can eat, so this is perfect timing. But all I can think about. Yes, I love it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys like tarot and spirituality, please check out my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box. I'm getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're into that, check it out. You don't have to if you're not, but I would love it if you did. I love you guys. Have a great weekend, a great day, whatever time it is for you. I love you. Bye.